French women never do their makeup like this. French women have a different approach when it comes to makeup. It's never about perfection, it's about balance, confidence, and let your natural beauty breathe. If you don't know me, I'm Alice, I'm French, and I live in Paris. And in this video, I want to show you what is the French makeup, how French girls do their makeup for every day. And let's go through the 10 things French women never do with their makeup and what they do instead. The first thing is that French women never aim for full coverage. French women rarely wear heavy foundation or thick layers of makeup. At least here in Paris, full coverage foundation is not that popular and makeup looks super natural. The goal is not to hide the skin but let it live and breathe. And they believe that beauty lies into natural textures. Freckles, soft glow, or even a little bit of imperfection. The secret is, instead of using a full face coverage foundation or a tinted moisturizer, you can simply use your skincare cream with some glow drops. Like in this makeup, for example, where I am using simply 2 single products. And as you can see, it looks super natural. The goal is not camouflage or masking your imperfection. Remember that even if you have blemishes, imperfection, or acne, the goal is a steady enhancement and a steady glow. And in this makeup, I only use 2 products from Typology. I absolutely love Typology. If you don't know Typology, Typology is a French skincare brand. Every Typology product is crafted in France using natural, vegan, and cruelty-free ingredients. Over 80% of the ingredients are from natural origin. The first one is the 9 ingredients moisturizer. I absolutely love this skincare cream. This is one of my favorites for every day. It only contains 9 essential ingredients and 99% of them are naturally derived. I love the texture, it is lightweight and ungreasy, perfect as a primer. And to get this natural luminous complexion, I mix the 9 ingredients moisturizer with the glow drops. I absolutely love this product. It is enriched with vitamin C and aloe vera, and 89% of the ingredients are also naturally derived. It provides the skin with instant and long-lasting radiance. You can also use it alone as a delicate and soft highlighter, or you can also mix it like I am doing in this makeup with the moisturizer. No concealer, no foundation, not even a tinted moisturizer, just a skincare cream and some glow drops. Something I've seen here in Paris, which is more and more popular. Wearing nothing on your skin, just a subtle glow. And if you're interested to buy the same skincare routine, my skincare routine, do not forget to check below the video. I do have an exclusive offer for you from Typology. All the links are below the video. The next thing French women never do with their makeup is to contour heavily. French women never go for sharp skull contour lines or heavy bronzing. It looks too artificial. Remember that the French idea of beauty is sunny and warmth, not transformation. They want the face to look alive, not fully redesigned. Instead of contouring, something that is extremely popular here is to use a bronzer, but sparingly, with a light hand and a big brush, where the sun will naturally hit. The temples, the bridge of the nose, and the top of the cheeks. But the goal isn't to sculpt, it's to warm up. This technique is called the French sun kiss. And something that is also popular is to add a hint of cream blush. Just to add this live, healthy sun kiss flush, as if they just returned from a walk along the Seine. The overall effect is soft, romantic, and real. The next thing French women avoid with their makeup is to overdone the eyes. For everyday, again, I am talking about an everyday makeup here, French women never spend hours perfecting bold eyeshadow and dramatic lashes and forget fake eyelashes for everyday, not popular here in France and in Paris. For them, too much eye makeup can harden the face and take away this natural, effortless charm. Instead, for everyday, they focus on natural, expressive eye makeup, slightly imperfect, like they didn't try too hard. And something that is extremely popular here in Paris, I will say the Parisian eye makeup uniform, is to keep your eyes super natural. Just a simple coat of mascara, some brow gel, and that's it. Like in this makeup, this is my everyday makeup here in Paris, where I am using two single products from Typology. First, the serum mascara. I absolutely love this product. This one is enriched with pea, peptide, and castor oil. It fortifies and lengthens lashes with a natural, defined result. And another product I absolutely love to use in my everyday natural Parisian makeup is this one, the Fortifying Brow Gel. This one is enriched with pea peptide, plant-based keratin, and castor oil. It deeply nourishes and densifies brow over time. The next thing French women never do with their makeup is to overdraw the lips. Something that was probably very popular in the 90s, but not popular anymore today, and certainly not in France. French women never try to reshape their lips with heavy liner or exaggerated outlines. Perfectly sculpted lips can look too artificial, and the idea of French makeup, especially when it comes to the lips, is easy and redness. They also believe that your natural lip shape is also part of your charm. And to my girls who don't like their lip shape or think that their lips look too thin, we French women do have a makeup secret, a lipstick technique called la bouche mordue or the bitten lip that really enhance your natural lip shape that looks super natural. Usually I use this lip oil from Typology. I absolutely love this product. It contains active ingredients of squalane, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. It delivers nutrition and suppleness to the lips with a glossy, non-sticky finish. I love this lipstick for everyday, this lip oil. It comes in 6 different shades and 98% of the ingredients are also naturally derived. My little technique is to dab, really to apply it with my finger and to dab, gently dab with my finger all over my lips. It looks super natural. The result is absolutely gorgeous. Again, check below the video for the reference of this lip oil. The next thing French women never do with their makeup is to use too many products. Simplicity over layers. I think the secret of a French girl makeup is all about minimalism and simplicity. It's not about how many products you put on your face, it's about how well you apply it. And remember that too many layers on your face can look tight and super heavy, while simplicity keeps it fresh and alive. Instead, they focus on minimalism and well-chosen, high-quality makeup essentials. I would say the French girl makeup essential is about only 5 products. First, a good concealer, a good tinted moisturizer, a mascara, a blush, and a good lip balm. You only need 5 products to get this French no makeup look. And the next thing French women never do with their makeup, they never emphasize everything. Another secret of a French girl makeup is to never emphasize on everything at the same time. They believe that beauty lies into harmony, not excess. And you will not see a French woman wearing a bold eye makeup with bold lips at the same time. Usually, when they wear red lipstick, the eyes stay understated. Just a hint of mascara, some brow gel. The skin looks fresh, luminous, the blush stays subtle, and the lips take center stage. On softer days, when they wear a lip balm or nude lipstick, they might add a hint of champagne eyeshadow for a luminous gaze. The next thing French women never do with their makeup is to hide imperfection. Freckles, tiny blemishes, or even fine lines are what makes a face unique and alive. So trying to cover everything with layers of makeup can remove this natural charm. Instead, they use makeup sparingly and precisely. A touch of concealer where it is truly needed, for example, around the nose, around the eyes, on a spot or blemishes, but the rest of the skin is left fresh, glowing, and slightly imperfect. This gives the face softness and dimension rather than something that looks flat or overly smooth. The next thing French women never do with their makeup is to aim for matte skin. The baking technique is extremely popular, but this is not something that French women use in their makeup. At least it's not that popular here in France. And French women never try to make the skin completely matte. Flat, powdery skin might feel lifeless and might also hide the natural light of the face. Instead, they focus on the French sun-kiss effect or l'effet bonhomie, extremely popular here in France. Instead of covering the face with layers of foundation or powder, they prefer using a soft tinted cream, light moisturizer that give this natural lit or fresh, dewy look. And the last thing French women never do with their makeup is heavy glam for evening makeup. For the last part of this video, I really want to focus on the French girl evening makeup and the French idea of the evening makeup. French women don't transform their makeup. You will rarely see them wearing glittery eyeshadow, blinding highlighter, fake eyelashes, or even heavy contouring. This full glam makeup feels a little bit too polished here in France. Instead, they simply intensify what's already there. Something very popular, a soft, smoky eye, maybe an eyeliner, and the classic timeless red lipstick. I would say the Parisian evening makeup uniform is to look super casual, effortless, and natural. Usually the eyes look super natural, they stay natural, and the on-thighs is much more on the lips, and of course the classic red lipstick, something I see also over Paris when I go out. That's it for today about the 10 things French women never do with their makeup. Let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to check below the video about Typology product. So many of you keep asking about the lipstick I am wearing, the type of makeup I am using, so all the links are below the video. I absolutely love to use Typology. Again, this is a French skincare brand. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to not miss any upcoming video. Do not forget also to follow me on my other social media. And I see you very soon for another one. Bye.